going to show you how to repair a leaking gutter. This is a really handy job to know how to do because continued overspill could eventually damage the connected fascia and walls. And here's what you'll need to do the job. Tech 7, sealant gun, utility knife and ladder. Place the tube into the bracket and cut the nozzle to size required. Remove any dirt out of the joint. Then apply the Tech 7 sealant to the damaged gutter. The advantage of Tech 7 is that it also works underwater, so you don't have to wait for it to dry. Once the leak has been repaired, check to see if there's any loose or wrongly positioned brackets that may have caused the damage to the gutter. Remove any leaves and silt which could be causing the blockage or sagging. So there you go. You've just seen how to repair a leaking gutter. For more hints and tips, go to woodiesdiy.com.